Hello everyone, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance in the shop refurbishing washers and dryers. I'm going to do a quick tip on front load washers that have this streak in it. Either they have a streak there or you see water dripping down. Before you spend a whole bunch of money and having this thing, I'm cleaning it right now, but this thing, before you spend a bunch of money and replace your tub seal here, or bellows, which is also called, or door seal. I'm gonna have you check something else. Well, number one, inspect it. Hey, this is my mascot here. Say hello. Check to make sure this isn't ripped. But also, one thing that's always missed, under the door. Now I've cleaned this already, and I thought about it after. After I did it, I thought about I should have recorded that. But there's a bunch of hair right underneath the door here. Just the door. There's a whole bunch of hair right here, and what happens is the hair, this seal, this glass goes up against the seal and seals the water in. But there's even a hair there. It breaks the seal and allows water to trickle out, and thus coming down. So before you go, sometimes there are, will be these, but it's usually very visible. It'll be a rip here. Or something right here on the tub bellows, tub seal. But before you, watch out, man. You want some camera time? You want some camera time? So before you replace this tub seal, go ahead and check underneath your door and just wipe underneath there to make sure there's nothing obstructing the seal between that bellows and the door. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Reggie with A-Team Appliance. Say goodbye.